6 a.m. We are in Omaha where we stayed the night last night, and we are about to head to the airport to go catch our flight to Vegas. So
it's finally here.
We will catch up with you at some point along the way. We just got checked in at Fontainebleau, so we are here on an offer match. So they matched our offer from Luxor. When we got here, we asked about an upgrade, and we got a complimentary upgrade to the Platinum Suite. So we will do a quick walkthrough of it. So coming in, off to the right, you have the bathroom. Massive shower, dual shower head, very nice. Huge mirror, little desk, table and chairs, couch, seat, the bed, TV on the wall, and then you have the mini bar. They do provide you with a little fridge space to keep drinks cold. The fridge you don't want to use. And then they also gave us what they call the strip view, which is also sphere view. So, and we've got the closet.
Nice touch.
A lint roller. Oh, they got slippers. I am totally taking the slippers. And the robes. And you're safe. So, pretty excited about, we got upgraded to this for free. And they didn't even mention anything about resort fees either. So, I guess we'll keep you posted when we check out on Wednesday. At this point, we're gonna do some freshening up, and we're gonna head down and meet up with Martin and Justin. So we'll catch up with you then. All right, so as part of our car service, we got bottle service. So it's what?
5 o'clock.
5 to 10 a.m. But we're in Vegas, so let's get her going.
That's right. Woo.
Cheers, guys. All right, we are headed down to Park MGM to meet up with Justin and Martin. So we'll catch up with you somewhere between here and there, maybe. we made it to park. We're gonna go get Martin right now, so stay tuned. All right, so we caught up with Martin and Sophie. ME Travel Vlogs, right?
ME Travel Vlogs.
So definitely check them out. I'll put the stuff at the bottom for you guys to see. So we're gonna hang out here, have some beer, and we're gonna move over to New York here in a little bit. So we'll catch you then. All right, we're gonna do a little group poll. We each put in 50, so let's see how we're gonna do 10 cent, 2.50 a piece.
Dragon Riches, Lightning Link.
Lightning Link. Okay, let's go.
I'm not that brave.
Okay,
Okay, that's from the last one.
we're trying to math
Okay, that's
here. Math
better.
is hard.
First day.
All right, we moved the group poll over to Dancing Drums. Finally cracked the pot, so do the honors. We all know it's the mini anyway. No? 29, 27? Perfect. We'll be back. All right, we're in New York, New York. We've on Prosperity Link. We've hit the bonus, so hit it.
Come on.
2 more. Oh,
Oh, I thought that was it.
oh, now it's it.
Chicken.
20.
What was that?
Okay, so apparently we busted all 3 chickens, so let's see what happens. Yeah, let's do more of those.
We need more.
Here we go.
There we go. Mini.
22.
Nice. Minion. Same with the lighter.
Three more of them right now. Or I'll take a grand. I'll take that.
3 spins to get there.
that, this video is gonna suck. That's okay, another 22. I said if we hit that grand, this video is gonna get real shaky.
That's a pretty good line.
Come on, come on, come on.
Dang it. That's not bad.
Okay.
Let's do it back.
You doing it? 75 cent on?
Yeah. Yep. That, back up, and then let's roll it. Good?
Do one
Head
more?
over.
Yeah, do one more spin.
Perfect. Group pool has expanded. We got Justin and Chantelle here. We got Martin and Sophie. We got a bonus.
We gotta pick a.
What's in store for you?
That looks good. Love it. Crazy, we have a look spin.
Whoa.
All right, let's do this.
We're on Cleopatra.
This brings me great joy.
One more. Yes.
We could just do the super jackpot and be done. There we go. Two more. One more.
That's a good one. 2 more.
Let's get to the top.
Right here, right here, right here.
Just one.
You got your 75 back.
Not bad. Okay, we got another bonus and Jessica got happy. So
Sorry, I got.
we got the lock and respin again.
I mean, this worked out pretty well. Oh, I have to keep going. Okay, sorry.
See what I made you?
There we go.
One more. There we go. Hey, $10. Same. All right, we're in Park MGM. We just left Beer House, hanging out with Dave and Sonia and Justin and Chantelle. Not Shan Short. We learned the proper way.
Yes.
So we're gonna head over.
Time. Love those guys.
Oh yeah, it was a blast.
And they were with Travel.
Can't wait. Can't wait till we can have a longer time together.
Yes.
Gonna head over to Bellagio now and use our free play and drink credit that we got. We're gonna go up and check out the room too since we have it. So we'll catch up with you when we get over there. All right, so for the first time ever on our trips, we have double booked for one night at Bellagio. I don't think we're gonna stay here tonight, but we had comps to use, so we'll give a quick room tour. We're in the spa tower, 11th floor. We didn't really care about what level we had or what, so come in the door. Off to the right, you got the nice bathroom. Shower, separate tub. Nice little nook to put your stuff. Nice little closet here. Got the robes, got your safe, ironing board, all the works. Straight into the bedroom. Little entertainment center, TV, table chair. Nice view of the parking garage. And this is a strip view, so we got Paris view. You could maybe catch a little glimpse of the fountains from the side. Grandstands for F1 coming in. I think they were talking about not putting grandstands in for the F1 over here, but it looks like they actually are. So there's the update from Bellagio. I gotta say, so far it's been a pretty fantastic day. We're gonna head down, catch some beverage credits, catch some free play, and catch up with you at some point, hopefully for a bonus. And then we're gonna head over to back to Fontainebleau. We've got Mother Wolf.
Mother Wolf.
So
Yeah. We're excited.
we're gonna hit the room and change before dinner. So we'll catch up with you here shortly. So here's the hallway at the Fontainebleau.
I love it because it's blue and it's white.
If nobody's guessed, Jessica's favorite color is blue. So it's probably not shocking that we're staying at the Fontainebleau, or as Justin would say it, the Fontainebleau. So we're gonna stick with blue. So we're headed back to the room to freshen up, get relax just a little bit before dinner. So Mother Wolf is coming up. We got some food credit to use, so we'll give it a go. We'll catch up with you there. So there's nothing like a first spin bonus. We sat down on this bingo frenzy thing. The mini is locked. I'm not sure. Do you have to open the lines to unlock it? Oh, I bet that's it. We'll see here. We just unlocked the minor. $20. Mini's 12. Oh. Okay.
Get it? I get it now. You gotta make a bingo.
Come on. Don't end it there. So you still get all the coins. Okay. First spin bonus for $54.60. Give her a backup. It wasn't going to give us the bonus, and then he did a little dauber dance and whacked it down, and here we go. So, bingo frenzy. We're going to go ahead and cash out.
finished up at Mother Wolf.
So good. You guys have to try
Oh
it.
man, that was very good. And if you come, ask for Dutch.
Awesome.
He's the best waiter I think we've ever had.
Yes. The best focaccia you'll ever have. The pasta is homemade every morning.
He called it
the Pasta Lab.
Yeah, he called it the Pasta Lab.
Yeah.
I kind of wish we could have seen the Pasta Lab, to be honest.
Right.
I want to know what a Pasta Lab is. So I might Google it later and see if I can get something. But
definitely.
yeah, if you're at Fontainebleau or if you're not at Fontainebleau, definitely check out Mother Wolf. It is worth it. So we're gonna tool around now and we'll catch you.
Oh, you're stupid on us.
Buff and Puff Money Mansion.
We
The
got
little
that
guy
extra
popped
guy.
his head up to help us get the sixth one. So let's see how it goes here. It's kind of loud. We're in the Fontainebleau. Just got done with Mother Wolf. Need some re-triggers. Need some golds. Not looking good.
It's a little rough. About typical. Money back. And then some.
Well, it's
Back
something.
up. Alright, that's
All right.
that.
So we're on the top dollar grand. First offer is 75 credits. So that's 75 quarters. What does that equal? I can't math. Let's try again.
Second offer. 5 credits.
Let's try again.
Third offer. 30 credits.
Okay, one more.
Okay, we're trying again. Final offer.
50 credits. Oh, you're a winner.
Hi, I'm a winner. Did you hear that? 50 quarters. Give it a backup. Almost. What'd you win? You won
$50.
200 quarters.
$50. Nice.
We'll be back. So we're on Smoking Hot Stuff Link. And they just triggered us a bonus. Little something would be good right here. There we go. Another one. Another one. Thank you. Come on. Oh, thank you. Oh, another one. Here comes another one. Times 3. Another one. $15. We're doing 50-cent bets. Just waiting on all drinks to show up. So. Give it a backup. Not this time. We'll be back. Alright, we're on coin combo tiger something or other. And we cracked 2 pots. So here we go. Yeah, let's go with major. Or grand. What's that one? We don't want that one. 45 would be okay. It's always the frickin' mini. $10 frickin' dollars. Get out of here with that. Okay, so what's the green one? 6 free games. Went up to times 27. Okay, let's go. Oh, that should be good. Maybe not. Keep them coming. We need them. Uh-oh. Takes me back up. Do a backup. Won't be back.
Alright, we're on Megabucks first spin bonus. Mega Vault, I'm sorry. Well, it is a Megabucks, but stay on there. That's pretty cool. Nice. One more. Nice.
I'm doing vodka
Same.
Day one wrap up.
We're tired. It's only 9:30, but it's 11:30 back
It's a
home,
new record
so.
for us. Going to bed this early on day one. Usually we go hard.
We're trying to pace ourselves. We're
But,
here for
yeah.
7 days.
Yeah, well, 8 days I think technically, 7 nights. But
Yeah.
who's counting? I'm not.
It was a great day.
Today was great. We got in.
It's about 8:30, 8:45.
Yeah. We did the
Presidential by Captain.
Presidential Captain.
The
Uber X, Batwing, whatever you want to call
Tesla.
it. Oh yeah, Uber.
I'm just tired. It's fine.
Tesla X.
And great driver, Brendan was his name.
Yeah, great
we-
guy.
We've always had good drivers there. We've been fortunate, but
So we came to Fontainebleau to check in. We were here. We're here on an offer match, so they matched Luxor offer for us.
got a complimentary upgrade to a platinum suite
Yeah,
on the 52nd floor.
came in to invite a guest check in, got right in. Room was ready right away, and then, like she just said, we got the upgrade for no extra charge.
With Sphere
And,
Sphere
yeah.
View. So pretty
Can't
darn
complain
good.
one
Yeah.
bit about Fontainebleau.
the rooms are
Everything
awesome.
has been spectacular.
Yeah.
From the people working to we did dinner at Mother Wolf, jumping ahead, but
Yeah.
it's like
Good first day.
We're probably gonna be back here.
And then for lunch, then we headed down to Park MGM, met up with Martin and Sophie.
Martin and Sophie.
Shout out to Emmy Travels.
Emmy Travels.
Great
best
blog. Check them
couple.
out. They're awesome. They were just finishing, so they headed back today. So
Yeah,
I'm glad we
they're
got them.
probably on the plane still right now.
Yeah.
So
Yep. Over the Atlantic.
hope they made it back safely
Yep. And then we had lunch.
with them
Them.
and Justin and Chantelle.
Yes, and they're awesome as well.
She
Check
loves
out,
the slots.
Yeah, check out their vlog as well.
Another amazing couple.
Yes. We went to Nine Fine Irishmen at New York.
Good
That was
meal.
good. Yeah.
The fish and chips were better than I remembered. So
It's been, a few years since we've
it's
been
been a
there,
while
so
since we've been there. And then after that, we
just kind of played around a
we
little
did a
bit.
little group poll with the 6 of us,
Yeah.
and we were just standing around chatting. After Martin and Sophie had to go to the airport, and lo and behold,
The very
when you
same-
know, here comes Dave and Sonia,
Yeah. It was.
and this guy spots
He
him
did.
He
It was
goes,
the fastest I've seen him move in a long time.
and gets him. So
We were out with them for a little
headed over to
Beer
a
House.
house after that, and
Had some
we
drinks.
just had a
and
great afternoon, just
Yeah.
sitting there chatting, 6 of us.
Another great.
Then
vlog,
everybody kind of had to part ways at that point, and we worked our way down to Bellagio because we actually double booked for the first time ever.
Yeah.
And used our free play, got our beverage credit. And then we came back here to Fontainebleau because we had dinner. So
That Mother Wolf.
Mother Wolf was
Awesome. Yeah.
I don't even know how to compare it to anything.
It's a Roman Italian and homemade pasta. The service is excellent.
I
Great
still want to know where this pasta lab
environment.
is.
Yeah. So the pasta, our server let us know that the pasta is made fresh in the morning in the pasta lab, and it's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong.
So far, everything about Fontainebleau is.
And we've honestly,
Top
we
notch.
played and had some great bonuses on the floor.
Yeah, I mean-
before and after dinner. So, we
We-
basically took
we're
our daily
even.
budget and we
We're
brought it
even.
back.
We're even
So we'll
for
put
the
it in the
day,
take
so.
home pile. So, yeah,
Uh,
all in all, great day. We've
Now
got a
we're-
busy day tomorrow, so we're gonna get a good night's rest.
yeah,
And
we're back in the room. We're calling it. Maybe we're getting wiser in our travels, or at least that's what we'll call it. So,
yeah,
thanks for hanging around with day one.
stay tuned for day 2. We've got lots planned tomorrow.
If you would hit that like and subscribe for us, that way we can keep bringing you the good stuff. And thanks for sticking with us. So we'll see you tomorrow on day 2.